Welcome back, guys, and this is a 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. You got a big windshield crack right there. Let's go ahead and reset the maintenance light. Press setup. Oh, it doesn't have it in here, so I guess it's in here. Yeah. Press this button until you get to the user settings, and then scroll down to convenience. Oops. Yeah, scroll down to convenience, press OK, look for service interval, and reset time and distance. Yes, this one have 7,500 miles service interval for 12 months. Let's do this.
I don't think you can call them that anymore, though. They're Indians. I read.
Did you get that out of the Cosmo? Get that out of the Cosmo?
Whoa! I'm missing one clip right here. It's not here. It's missing. Oh yeah, it needs one. Oh.
I think it, that's what you're saying, the stereotype of static. I listen to the series a little bit, and it's just saying these didn't go very cold. It seems like going cold for me, but I don't have 10 Pro. I might be everything, but I just come back.
There we go.
I heard seats were pretty cool when we on the bike. Yeah. Struck out the side and he was on like talking to the announcer. Call it. I brought it in the parts because I needed to start it. Yes.
All right, let's go ahead and start the engine. Remove this sticker. We're gonna go ahead and make a new one. Rev it up a little bit. Yeah, I have not received any response from the filters yet, but hopefully at least a cabin. All right, let's go ahead and print out the sticker and check the fluid level. All right, guys, so this is low, this is full, and this